So, magpakalasing kami ni Cupcake sa isang malaking pitcher na...
Oh my God! Wow!
So, yan guys, nilalagyan ni Cupcake ng ice yung baso namin. Ayan. Tingnan mo. Ayan. So, guys, magpakalasing kami sa isang pitcher na iced tea. So, kung yung iba guys, nagpakalasing sa alak, kami ni Cupcake ay magpakalasing ngayong araw sa iced tea. Ayan. So, mahal ko lagyan mo pa ng maraming ice kasi magpakalasing tayong dalawa. O, di ba natawa na si Cupcake? Hello guys, it's just a joke. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Shike's Pizza. Okay guys, so we are here at Shike's. So, dito kami mag-date. So, dito kami guys nag-celebrate ng Mother's Day na ginawa. So, pakalasing kami ng uminom ng iced tea at saka kakain kami ng pizza. Okay? So, abangan nyo later guys. See ya!
Oh, i-take out lang itong chicken. I-take out lang chicken yun.
So, ayan guys, yung unang dumating is yung noodle. Wow! With sour cream. Napakasarap guys. So, ito ay isang gawa sa patatas at hiniwa ng ganyan kalaki. So, at last guys, dumating yung carbonara. Ayan, so yummy. Tagal namin hinintay. More than almost 45 minutes kami naghintay ni Cupcake. So, yung unang dumating is yung carbonara. Ayan. No, it's not. Yung unang dumating is mojo. Then, the second one is yung carbonara. Ayan guys. Napakatakam-takam na. Napakasarap. Ayan, yung mojo namin guys with sour cream. At saka with carbonara. And then, with toasted garlic bread. Ayan. So, kainin na naman guys. Mapupunin naman yung tiyan natin dito sa sobrang sarap ng pagkain dito sa Shike's Iloilo. Ayan na so guys. So, yun pa sana namin ni Cupcake habang di pa dumating yung pizza. Ayan, yung pizza. Oh, flying over. Ayan. Ayan na yung pizza at last guys. We're waiting for almost 45 minutes. At last, dumating na yung pizza. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. So, that's it guys. Samahan nyo kaming kumain ng Cupcake ngayong araw. Celebrating the Mother's Day. Oh, super yummy talaga guys. Masisira naman ang diet ni Emmy Cooker ngayong araw. So, ayan. We're eating this carbonara with garlic bread, mojos, at saka pizza. May kasama pa yung chicken guys, kaso lang tinake out na lang namin kasi hindi namin mauubos ng Cupcake. Ayan, nayapayami si Cupcake sa kinakain namin. Enjoy eating Cupcake. Ayan. So, mabubusog ka talaga guys. Ang daming in-order na Cupcake na pagkain. Wow, ayan guys. Spaghetti at pizza with mojo sour cream. And then, may kasama pa yung chicken. Kaso yung chicken, pinabalot namin. Ayan, tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Oh, upos na. So, nabubusog kami talaga. Hindi naman ako kakain ng dinner kasi busog na ako. Para di masira ang diet, di ako kakain ng dinner. Ayan si Cupcake, hinihintay namin yung bayad. Ayan, ikaw na lang kaya Cupcake, ibayad ko dito. Iwan kita. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed to watch my vlog for today. Thank you for watching and happy Mother's Day to all the mother. Bye!